Hello my friend, this is Algeria Machinery Equipment Co. Limited. This is the 40 high-Q container, soon be shipped to a long-standing client in Algeria. Here are 19 pneumatic mixing tanks ready for shipment. Let's take a look at the container loading progress. Now it's 11 o'clock. The workers are working hard to load the containers. Now it's 12 o'clock and our 19 pneumatic mixing tanks have been fully loaded into the container. This is the second cooperation with the client. We hope the client will be satisfied and we can continue working together. Please remember Algeria Machinery Equipment Co. Limited. If you require any machinery, please feel free to contact us.